In this exercise, you need to pick out the word which can be used in place of the given expression. To send an unwanted foreigner out of a country. Answer B. Deport. Question 2. To steal or copy another's work and present it as one's own. Answer D. Plagiarism. Question 3. A former student of a school or college. Answer B. Alumni. Question 4. A person who has large experience in a particular field. Answer A. Veteran. Question 5. To use one's influence to mediate between two opposing groups. Answer C. Intercede. Question 6. A disease or growth which is not expected to grow or cause harm. Answer D. Benign. Question 7. Something which cannot be understood. Answer B. Unintelligible. Question 8. The first formal speech given by a person. Answer D. Maiden. Question 9. An additional remark written at the end of a letter after the signature. Answer C. Postscript. Question 10. A remedy for all diseases or problems. Answer B. Panacea. Stay tuned for the next one. Do subscribe if you found this useful.